Alright guys, I've been having problems with my Shark robot vacuum here. I have the AI laser vision model. Let's see if we can, I'll show you kind of a demonstration here. Hit the clean button. And then it kind of circles and goes over there. And so keep saying there's a obstruction, error number 2, even though it's on flat ground. And I've reset the robot, turned it on and off. I let the battery die, and then recharged it again. Still can't get it to work. I've taken the roller brush out and cleaned it. Can't get that to work, so we'll see. I'll try some different things and update this video, alright? Alright. So I'm going to go ahead and see if I can get this roller removed so I can lube it up and see if I can get this spin a little more freely and get some of the hair out of there. But the first time I did it, I just kind of cut the hair out here. But I think I'm going to take it apart a little bit more this time. See what we can get out. One screw. So there's a lot of stuff in there that was kind of hiding in this little gear here that I couldn't really see from the outside. So I think that's actually gonna probably make a pretty big difference. I mean, look at this big clump of hair. Like, I'm sure that's probably my problem. Anyway, that can't not be my problem, right? But we'll see. I mean, and then I'll get this kind of cleaned up while I'm in here, and I'll see if I need to should be, I may do a little bit of lubrication in there where this wheel is, and then there's actually not even any gear on this side. It's just kind of holds there. So let me see, I'll probably get a little bit of grease in there. Then I'm also pulling all the hair out from in between this roller here. This is a lot of hair because I just did this about a week ago. But I did run the vacuum a lot more because I hadn't been able to get it to work until I took off that cover. So you kind of get in there with some tweezers, and fingernail scissors also work pretty well. So I'll get all this out and then get her put back together. So I'm just gonna go ahead and vacuum my vacuum now. Here's my model info on this vacuum. It's I know they make a few different kinds, but the Shark AI robot RV2001DR US 30, 14.4 volts. So that can kind of help you. I know I haven't actually seen this one on any other YouTube videos. Here's the a better look at the top of it. The AI laser vision. I don't know if there's the one I'm seeing on a lot of the YouTube videos. Seems real similar, but not this exact model. Then I'm just going to kind of wipe off the excess grease here, or the kind of oil, I guess. be a more accurate description. And it's you don't want it to be super wet, because then it'll kind of collect a lot of dust there. But I think that'll help. It definitely is spinning. This little gear here is spinning a little more freely. And this is the, I don't want to use the regular WD-40, because that's kind of a little bit unsafe. Can kind of eat away at your plastics. There's kind of the wheel I'm talking about. You can even kind of see some hair in there. I still need to get out with some tweezers. And I'll kind of work on this. This whole plastic thing doesn't come off entirely. It seems kind of, there might be a screw or kind of a push point in there. But you can kind of work this and kind of get in there and get out some more hair and whatnot. And while I'm here, I'm just going to use a little bit of WD-40 silicone quick drying grease. Here, see if I can get a little spray grease in there. Spray lubrication, I guess you would call it. And then I'll just work this wheel around, trying to get it kind of lubed up a little bit. A little bit better spinning as I kind of work it in there. Also, if you have it, a little compressed air. Can kind of help clean it out too. So let's see, I got this guy all nice and all the hair out of there. So we'll see if I can remember how I put it back in. Yeah, it looks like you can only put it in one direction, which is good. Good design. Get this screw back in here. And then we will test it out and see how we're doing. All right, so the moment of truth here. Let's see how she does. It's making some weird noises. But it looks like we are back in business. But it's a little bit louder than it used to be. Maybe that brush is kind of getting seated back in. Let me take a look. So definitely working now. It does seem definitely louder than it was before. So I think that brush is moving around better. We'll see if that goes away over time, or if I need to kind of tighten something up in there. That'll be it for this video. Got it working. So that noise is getting better as it keeps cleaning. I've kind of cycled it through, the eco, the normal, and the turbo mode. It doesn't make it at all on the carpet. So I think a lot of it's just those, either that lubrication I put in there made it spin too fast, or the bearings are kind of just getting reseated after not moving a whole lot from having all that hair in there. And so I'll keep you guys updated. Please like and subscribe if this video was helpful for you. you can expect more content like this to come, and I'll do an update. I'll do continual updates on this vacuum and how it's going, and if I ever have any problems. It's about 10 months old at this point. And obviously a lot of it's going to be how much you use it and whatnot.